Your family will love this creamy chicken rigatoni meal. Get started with some peppers and onions. I love to use my food chopper to get these minced up and ready. The food chopper is just the fastest tool. It completely comes apart for easy cleaning. I put it right in the top rack of my dishwasher, and it gets those onions and peppers perfectly minced. And it's kind of a funny thing, but you can just get all your daily aggressions out by chopping up your food. The finer those onions are may mean it was a rough day. Once this is done, you'll want to get some butter melted in your pan and start sauteing your chicken. You need about 1.5 pounds of cut up chicken thighs. Let those saute. They're not going to be all the way done, just browned a little bit. Pull them out and then add your peppers and onions right to that same pan. You're going to want to add a clove of garlic. You can put it in the garlic press, peel and all. Press it right through, scrape it off, and that peel is waiting for you right inside that press. Just dig it out. No smelly garlic hands. It's wonderful. Once you're done with that, to the same pan, you're going to add the tomato paste, crushed tomatoes, some cream cheese. Measure out 8 ounces of rigatoni pasta, put it all in the pan along with the chicken and some chicken broth, and let that simmer until the pasta is tender. Add some spinach, stir it all up, and yum.